What's up, everyone? Hey, I'm just hanging out at work, and I went on my lunch break and just so happened to drive by the beach and saw some people on some stand-up jet skis. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip right here and let you guys watch it. This guy over here is Mr. Backflip. I've seen him send it twice. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll get you good photos. Really? That is awesome. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little clip there. Pretty fun to get to see those guys. They actually have a club around here. I don't know if you heard the guy at the end of the video. His name is Roy. He introduced himself and his wife. They run a club, so I think I might try to check that out a little bit more, see what it's all about. Maybe get into the sport myself. Why not? But yeah, if you guys could subscribe if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment for any future stuff you guys would like to see. I don't know if you saw in my description, but I do pressure washing, so I'll be trying to put some of my pressure washing content on there. I drive a 2004 Chevy Duramax, so I'll also be trying to put some content with that on there also. I wish I would have taken some videos about a week and a half ago. I just did a full set of injectors under the hood, and I also did an install for my fast 165, but I didn't get them on tape, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to bring some more stuff for you. And sorry about all this wind noise. I'm gonna have to get one of those mic things one of these days. Anyway, peace.